Okay, good afternoon all once again.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So I'm going to call. Okay, good afternoon. Okay, so we are discussing today the equal to symbol also. And before that, I will show you some numbers. I will give you some numbers and you have to tell me which symbol we have to use in the blanks. Okay, so let me share the screen. No need to write now. Ma'am will say when you have to write. That time only open your notebook and take your pencil. Okay. Before that, no need to ask, ma'am, write, ma'am, write. No need like that. Okay. Ma'am will tell you how when you have to write. So last class, we discussed the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. Which side will be open the mouth of the fish always? Which side will be open? Is it towards the smaller number or is it in the bigger number?
Bigger number.
Bigger number. The mouth of the fish always open towards the bigger number. Very good. Okay then. So what about this symbol? What's the name of this symbol? What's the name of this symbol?
Less than.
Ah, it is less than. See, this is capital letter A. Okay, just land it. Okay, so we get a symbol less than. So this is less than symbol. Okay, less than. Okay, and we have another symbol. Just less than. Okay, what's the name of this symbol?
Greater than.
Greater than. It is greater than. R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater. And we have one more symbol. That is with this. What's the name of this symbol?
Greater. Equal.
Ah, it is equal to. It is equal to. It is equal to. Equal to. This symbol is known as equal. No need to write now. Listen to. Okay. Okay. So we have less than, greater than, equal. Then also we studied the mouth of the fish always open towards the bigger number. Okay, towards open the bigger number. Now let me give you some numbers and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to fill with the symbols between two numbers. And I'm writing here two numbers 8, 3. So here we have to fill with the symbol. Okay, so we have two numbers 8 and 3. Which symbol we will use here? Is it less than or greater than or equal to?
Greater than.
Wait. Very good, very good. Greater than, very good. Now before that, before deciding about the symbol, we have to think about the numbers. See, 8 and 3. Both sides the different number. Okay, if it is same number, we can use the symbol equal to. But both sides a different number. One is 8 and another is 3. So it is not equal to symbol anyway. And we have another two symbols that is less than and greater than. So think about the numbers. Which is greater, 8 or 3? It is 8. 8. So always open. The mouth of the fish will be open towards the bigger number. Okay. So we can write this. Now how will you read this? How will you read this? 8 is
greater than.
8 is greater than 3.
Greater than.
8 is greater than 3. Very good, very good.
3.
If you're putting this letter, this is the closed. This is closed. And this side is open. This side is open. So this side always towards the bigger number. Okay. This side always towards the bigger number. Now another number. Let me write another number. Okay. So we have here 15 and we have here 25. So we have to fill here the symbol. Okay. Now which symbol we will use here?
Less than.
We will use here which symbol?
Less than.
How we will understand? First of all, put the symbol. See, 15 and 25. 25 is the bigger number. So always, always the mouth of the fish will be open towards the bigger number. Okay, now it is clear. Now what is this symbol? This is less than. So how will you read this? 15 is less than.
Less than.
15 is less than 25. Now I will write another number. Okay, we have 10 and 10, and we have to use this here, the symbol. Which symbol we will use here? Here, which symbol? Is it
Equal.
less than or greater than or equal?
Equal to.
Yes, very good.
Equal.
Here we have to use equal sign. Why we are using equal sign? Because both sides we have what?
Equal.
Both sides we have same number. Both sides we have same number. Okay, so we will use equal to sign. So think about the bigger number. So that side the mouth of the fish will be open. Think about the bigger number. That side the mouth of the fish will be open. Understood? Are you ready to write in the notebook?
Yes.
So all of you please take your notebook and pencil. All of you please take notebook and pencil and take fresh page. So today we are going to write the equal to symbol first. Okay. So as like in the greater than less than symbols, we draw two boxes. Okay. So I will draw here and you have to draw in your notebook. So I'm going to draw two boxes. Please draw in your notebook also. Take a fresh page and draw two boxes. And here we are drawing stars. Okay. Here we are drawing stars. Alna Arun, write in the notebook.
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing.
Very good, very good. Right, right. Hadia, are you writing? Sorry, Hadia? Good. Both the boxes. How many stars are there in each box? Both box having 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. So we can write the number 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Here also we can write the number 3. So both box having 3 stars each. Okay. So both sides it is equal. We can write. So we can write 3 is equal, equal, equal to 3. 3 is 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 equal to 3. Now, instead of equal to, we can use the symbol.
I'm finished.
Okay. T, E, the S, Y, M, L. SYMBOL, symbol. SYMBOL, the symbol. FOR, the symbol for equal to. SYMBOL symbol. 4 FOR 4 equal 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 to TO is this. The symbol for equal to is two dash having same length. 2 hyphen
Ma'am,
yes.
finish.
Very good. Then we can write using symbols the sentence 3 equal to 3. 3 equal to 3.
Ma'am, no finish.
Okay, okay, I will show you. Three is equal to 3.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, okay. Okay, very good, Aman. Let others complete it. Elvin completed.
Yes.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
I finish.
Okay, good. What about the others? It's completed.
Ma'am, finish.
Everybody,
Yes,
everybody
finish.
completed?
Ma'am, finish. Yes.
Everybody completed? Is there anyone to complete?
Yes.
Bardeen completed?
Yes.
Okay. So take a fresh page. Now we are going to do some exercises which is related to symbols. So take a fresh page. Take a fresh page. Now we will write together. Okay, we will write together. Fill. What's the word fill? Fill. 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 In. The. The. Fill in the.
Fill in the
What will be next? Can you see?
fill in the blanks.
Very good. Blanks. Blanks. Fill in the blanks. 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 Fill in the blanks.
S
WITH.
right.
WITH. With. Fill in the blanks with WI
Fill in the blanks with
with THE. Rutika, are you writing? Fill in the blanks with the CORRECT. 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 Fill in the blanks with the correct.
WITH with
You are discussing number or symbol. Which one? Is it a number or symbol? It is symbol. So SYMBOL symbol. Fill in the blanks with the correct symbol. And we have three symbols now.
C O R R E C T.
Correct. Symbol.
Correct.
SYMBOL. Symbol. Fill in the blanks with the correct symbol. And we have three symbols. So,
S Y M B
less than symbol,
O
greater than symbol,
L.
and we have one more symbol, that is equal to symbol. So out of these three symbols, you have to use one. Okay, that we have to decide. And think about the number, think about the bigger number, and we have to fill with the symbols. Jeffrey on Adityan, please switch on the video. Are you ready for the question?
Yes.
Okay, good. And we have the first question A. And we have 5 is here. Okay, and we have 8 is here. And here we have to put the symbol in the box. So 5 and 8. Which is a bigger number? Is it a 5 or 8? So 8. Very good. 8 is the bigger number. So that side, the mouth of the fish will be open. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So we can put the symbol. It is open towards the bigger number. How we will read this? Shankar Krishna, tell me how we will read this. 5 is is it less than or greater than?
Greater than.
This is like greater than symbol or less than symbol. Unmute. 5 is, it will be greater or smaller than 8?
Less than 8.
Very good. 5 is less than 8. This we will read 5 is less than 8. Okay. 5 is less than 8. We put the symbol according to the bigger number. Then we will read it as 5 is less than 8. And next we have B. And B we have the number 9 here and 3 here. And we have to put the symbol in the box. Okay. Allah, unmute and tell me which symbol we have to put here. Which is a bigger number?
9.
9 is the bigger number. So we can open the mouth of the fish towards 9. Okay. So it will come like this. Now read it. How we will read this? How we will read this? 9 is?
9 is greater.
Very good. 9 is greater than?
3.
3. Good girl. 9 is greater than 3. 9 is greater than 3. 9 is greater than 3. And next we have C. And C we have 54. And here we have 74. Rukma, which is a bigger number here? Is it a 54 or 74?
74.
74 is the bigger number. So that said, the mouth of the fish will be open. Okay? So it will come like this. Now read this. Read this. 54 is?
54 is
What is the symbol? Is it less than or greater than? See, it's
less,
to take a L, no? So what will come?
less than.
54 is less than 74. 54 is
Greater.
less than 74. Tell me once more. 54 is less than 74. 54.
Is less than 74.
Very good, very good. Now write in the notebook. Now next we have E. And E we have
B.
now you write right. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. D. Okay, Esther. Tell me, what about here? Which symbol? Is it less than or greater than or equal to?
Equal to.
Equal to. Why it is equal to here? Why it is? Both sides we have same number. 13 is equal to 13. How we will read this? 13 is equal to 13. Esther, read it. 13 is equal to 13.
13 is equal to 13.
Very good, very good. So next we have E. Next we have E. And E we have 8 is here and 4 is here. And we have to fill with the symbol. Krishnang, which is a bigger number, 8 or 4?
8.
So we have to open the mouth of the fish towards which number?
8.
8. So we can open like this. It is open this side. Okay. How we will read this? 8 is?
8
Is it less than or greater than symbol?
greater than.
Very good, very good. 8 is greater than 4. 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 And next we have Ishan. Ishan, tell me the answer, okay? Ishan,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have the number 23 here. And here we have 21. And which is a bigger number, Ishan? Is it a 23 or 21?
23.
Very good. So that said, the mouth of the fish will be open. Okay. So how we will read this? How we will read this? 23 is, Ishan, read it.
23 is
Is it a less than or greater than symbol?
greater than.
Very good.
Greater
23 is greater than 21. 23 is greater than 21.
21.
Then we have G. And G we have 99, 98. Okay. Rayan Salish, tell me, which is a bigger number?
99.
99. So that said, the mouth of the fish will be open. Now read this. How we will read this? 99 is?
Greater.
99 is greater than 98. 99 is greater than 98. And next we have H. And it's for Ananya. Ananya,
Yes,
50
ma'am.
here and 60 here. And which is a bigger number, Ananya? Is it 50 or 60?
60.
60. So that side, the mouth of the fish will be open. Okay?
Okay.
How we will read this? Read it. 50
50
is it less than or greater than? Which symbol is this? Look like a L, no? So what will come? It is.
it is
Look like L, no? Some
yes,
landing is there for the L. Okay? So 50 is.
50 is
50 is smaller or bigger than 60?
big.
So 50 is smaller. So we can say 50 is less than 60. Tell me. Tell me. 50 is less than 60.
50 is less than 60.
Very good. 50 is less than 60.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. So this is the last one. And next we have next exercise. Okay, so take a fresh page, those who completed. Those who completed can take.
നല്ല പണിയുണ്ട് മൂക്കടപ്പ് രാത്രി രാത്രി ശരിക്കും ഉറങ്ങാൻ പറ്റില്ല എനിക്കും എനിക്ക് മറ്റേ ഞങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ണിയിലൂടെ പുറത്ത്
So next we have new exercise. So take a fresh page. Everybody completed? Shall we move to next exercise?
yes
Is there anyone to complete?
yes
Okay, complete it. What about the 14 completed?
yes
Yes.
ma'am finish
Okay.
ma'am
So
finish
we will move to next exercise. Okay. So take a fresh page.
ma'am finish
Okay, okay. Take a fresh page. Take a fresh page. And next we have WRIT. WRITE.
right
Right. IN. Right in. WORDS. What is this? WORDS. Words. Right in words. Right in words. WRDS. Right in words.
RDS
Right in words. And we have A. Right in words. And we have okay, first one we have 6 and this is a symbol and 3. How we will read this? Sarah, unmute and tell me how we will read this. Read it this. 6 is, what is the symbol? Is it less than or greater than?
greater than
Very good, very good. So we can say 6 is greater than
3
very good, good girl. So you can write the answer. 6 is greater than 3. 6 is GREATER, greater, THAN, than 3. 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. And next we have B. 6 is greater than 3. And next we have 8, 9. Hala, tell me the answer. Unmute and tell me answer. How we will read this? 8 is?
8 is
Is it less than or greater than?
less than
Very good, very good. 8 is less than?
9
9. Okay. 8 is
less
8 is less than 9. 8 is the less than 9. Eight is less than 9. And we have the last one for today's class. That is this one. Adityan, read this. How we will read this? Unmute and tell me. How we will read this? Ah.
10.
Ah.
10 is to 10.
Ah. 10 is equal to 10. Adityan, tell me once more. Adityan, tell me once more.
10 is equal to
Ah.
10.
Very good. So we can write 10 is equal, EQUAL, equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10. Ten is equal to 10. Okay. Okay, finish. Today's class we completed. Okay. So I'm going to winding the session today. I think it's clear to you. We will meet next day. Okay. Thank you all. The same I will put it in the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you all. Bye. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.